I'm coming.
Yes.
Yeah, is Arch tempered right now in this update?
Not forgetting anything?
Okay.
Not yet. Okay.
Ready.
Later in the month. Okay.
Yeah, we need to. I don't know about you, but I want to grind Mitsutsune for sure.
Yeah.
I like
me
the
too.
weapon. I don't know if I want to change. I like. What? Could not join the quest. What?
Oh, I think the cat froze my game.
Oh,
Hold
okay.
on. My game froze.
It's alright. I'll wait. So I want to do the weapon for sure, and I want to do the equipment just for not for the aesthetic, but for the stats.
Got something in mind?
Hold on. I need a few minutes for my game to catch up.
Take your time. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. I think can you join now?
Uh-huh.
You know it.
Your cat make it crash?
No, my cat spammed the screenshot button on my keyboard and it froze my game.
Oh, cute.
Because he likes to sleep in the area between my monitor and my keyboard. But sometimes he'll use the keyboard as a pillow and then press buttons.
Oh, cute. Ciao. Bye.